You think it's funny? Is it funny? Is the wrong answer funny? Is giving mommy the wrong answer funny? No. What's that? Whoa. You don't say. Is the frogs in your butt? You have froggies. Oh my gosh, take a breath. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, he's serious. Oh, there's frogs in your butt. Dylan, say excuse me, you stinky boy. You're not supposed to laugh at that. Do you have frogs in your butt? Dylan. Dylan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mom. Say excuse me and where is your manners? You must have a bunch of frogs in your butt. You thinking about it? Oh my. Say excuse me next time. Say excuse me next time.